Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, where we have over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock, ready for your immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals, just like this trade here, as soon as they arrive. Also, for a full description of everything that's on this vehicle, with over 40 still pictures of it, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a new arrival, 2006 Ram 2500 Crew Cab, 5.9 liter Cummins diesel motor, and this is a really hard truck to find and in pretty good condition considering the year and the miles. Has just under 230,000 miles on it, guys, and I drove up the road and it runs absolutely great. As you can see, the exterior color on this is white. Few small paint chips on the front bumper, nothing major. I don't see any dents on the front bumper. Everything on the front looks to be in really good condition. Aftermarket upgraded rims and tires on this, as you can see here. This is a 17-inch rim, if I'm not mistaken, and it's got plenty of tread depth on that tire. They look to be almost brand new when it comes to tires. Step-up bar located on the side, a nice chrome step-up bar. A little bit of rust above the rear wheel right there on the side of the bed there, and there's also like that on the other side, which I'll show you in a minute. Bed liner in the back of the bed, as you can see here, looks to be in good condition, not all dented up, tore up. Seems to be pretty well taken care of back there. Same, just like on the side, the rear tailgate does have some rust on the bottom. It does have a trailer tow package on this with a 7-pin hookup located right there and a 4-pin located down there below. And like I said, there is a little more rust on the side, so above both the rear wheels there is some rust. But then there again, that can be fixed, and it is a hard truck to find considering the miles and that 5.9 liter diesel motor, which is an extremely desirable motor. Moving on to the inside of this vehicle, it does have power mirrors and they all do work. Power locks, and those also all work, and the power windows, and I checked those and they work also. Power driver seat. It does have a little hole in the seat located right here. They do have covers on these seats, but there is still a little hole on the driver's seat. As far as the floor goes, it looks to be in really good condition. There's no rips, no tears. Seems to be in really good condition as far as the floor goes. On the inside of the vehicle, it does have a tuner, as you can see here. Fire it up. Located up here is your tuner. And like I said, it just has just under 230,000 miles on this vehicle. On the steering wheel, it does have your cruise control settings on both sides of the steering wheel. Radio seems to be working as it should. And your heat and AC controls are located right here in the center, right under the radio. Cubby hole for storage, cup holders down below, manual 4-wheel drive buttons right there. And just like the driver's side, the floorboard seems to be in really good condition on the passenger side as well. And the passenger seat seems to be in good condition. I don't notice any rips, tears, or anything in this seat cover. Nice armrest here in the center. It does have some storage inside that. And this can also be flipped up to make it a 6-passenger vehicle. Up top, in between the driver and passenger, you do have your information center located right here, showing us our temperature and what direction we're heading. And in the back, just like the front, the floor looks to be in really good condition. And the back seat looks like it's been rarely sat in, so overall the rear of this vehicle is in excellent condition. It does have a manual sliding window here in the center that can be opened and shut. Like I said, guys, this is a really nice vehicle considering the miles of the year. It's an 06 Ram 2500 Bighorn Edition, 4-wheel drive, 5.9 liter Cummins motor in it. oversized rim. Tires are in great condition. Overall, besides the rust, I would say this vehicle is in really good condition and it drives great going down the road. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be sure you see all of our new arrivals, just like this one here today, as soon as they arrive. Also, for all the still pictures of this and full description, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SherryChrysler.com. And for the guaranteed best price on any new or pre-owned vehicle in stock, make sure you always shop Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram.